Guys, welcome back with the third regular puzzle, in today's newspaper on Friday, June the 7th, 2024. First Friday of the month, I will do a speed test. I've already done the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. Well, my time is not as fast as before. Maybe this Killer Sudoku, I will improve my time. Well, this Killer Sudoku, by the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will complete this Killer Sudoku with a speed test without comments, without any instructions, and this will be number 8673. Alright, 2 given numbers. Alright, for Killer Sudoku I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Average time. If you compare it with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, in the additional, it will be a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, let's get started. Without comments, without instructions. 1 minute and 30 minutes. 30 seconds. Okay. One. Yeah, this one. 18. Double 18. 36. 9. 9 plus 5. 14. 3. Now we have 1. 8 and a 9. 8 and a 9. 8. 24. 24 plus 8. 32. 43. 43. Should be a 2. This should be a 3. I need a 3 here. 3, 2. 4, 2, 1, 5. This should be 5. This should be a 1. Okay, 9 and the 7 should be here. Yeah. Need a 7. 7, 2 and a 1. 2, 2, need a 2 there. 2 and 8. Here should be the 9 and the 6. This should be the 7. This should be the 9. Yeah. 9 and 6. Come on. 2 and a 1. This should be the 8. This should be the 2. 2, 2. Need a 2 there. Come on. Completed row. No 9 here. 9 could be here. 9 could be there. 1 and the 6. We have a 6 here. This should be the 6. This should be the 1. 2, 3, 4, and the 7. Need a 7 there. 7 and a 6. 1 number left. 1, 2. Need a 4 here. 4 and an 8. 8. 4, 4. Need a 4 there. 4 and a 9 could be here also. Need a 1 here. Okay, 9 and 7 should be here. 9 and 8. Need a 9 here. Need an 8 here. 1, 2, need a 3. Cannot place the 3 here. Need 3 and a 4. Need a 5. 5 here. Here can be 5. So it should be 5 and the 8 here. This should be the 6. 11. 7. 9. 7 and 6. 9. Oh, this should be the 9. This should be the 6. 4. 1, need a 5. 1 and a 5. 3 and a 4, 2 and a 1. Here, 2 numbers left. 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. This should be the 1. This should be the 2. This should be the 9. This should be the 4. Need an 8 here. 8 and a 7. Oh. 7, 8. Need a 7 there. 7 and 8. 8 should. Oh, 8 and the. Well, made a mistake. 5 plus 6 is 11. Plus 8. I need to place the 8 here. Not the 7. So this should be switched. Come on, come on. Ay. Counting error. So, need a 9. No 9 here. 9 and a 6. So the 7 and a 3. Oh! 7, 7. Hmm? 7, 7. Well, counting error again. 14, 15. Here should be the 7 then. What's happening? What's happening? 9, 9, 9 and a 6. Could be here. Seven and the 4. 7. Then I need the 2 and made a mistake here. 2 and 8. Aye. 7 and 9. 7 and 6. Is this correct here? Ay. Need to place the 7 and 9 here, correct. I do not know. Again, we made a mistake. This should be the 4, this should be the 3. Okay, need a 9. 9 and the 7. We have a 9 here. This should be the 9. This should be the 7. We have a 9 here. So we need a 7 here and a 3 here. So 2 numbers left. 2 and the 8. 2 and 8. 2 and 8. 8 and the 3. Nope. 2 and the 9. This should be the 8. It's correct. 5 plus 8 is 13. Plus 6. Well, then here should be the 8. This should be the 7 then. And the 7 here. And a 4. 4, 4. Come on. 5 and a 1. 8, 8. Need an 8 here. 8 and a 1. No. 8 and a 3. No. So the 8 and the 1 should be here. No 3 here. No 3 here. And this should be the 3. 3 and a 6. So need a 5 and a 2 here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 7. This should be the 1. This should be the 2. 1 box left for the 2. Need a 2 here. 2 and a 3. Well. 6, 6, need a 6 here. Here, 6, there, 6. 6 and a 7. Yeah, could be. 5, 5, need a 5 here. 5 and a 3. Could be 5 and a 7. No. So the 5 should be here. 3 should be there. 5, 5, need a 5 there. 5, 5, 5. Come on. 8, 9, and need a 2 here. Here can be 2. This should be the 2 then. 8 and a 9. We have a 9 here. This should be the 8. This should be the 9. This should be the 8. 2 and a 9. 8 and a 4. 8 and a 1. 7 and a 4. 7, 7, need a 7 here. And 6. 2 and a 3 and a 2. 9 and a 6. 1 and a 4. 1 on my left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 5 and 1. Yep, 5 and 1. 1 and a 5. We have a 1 here. This should be the 5. Oh, this should be the 5. This should be the 1. Well, this should be the 5 then. This should be the 1. This should be the 5. 1, 1, need a 1 here. There. 1, 2, 3, and the 6. Yes. 11 minutes. Well. Minus 1 minute. Well, made a mistake again. But we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Have a great and fantastic Friday. I will see you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.